All right, let's see if I can get down here without falling. Hill is decently steep. It doesn't have great traction. Just take it nice and slow. There we go. All right. That's one part. Now we just got to climb down some rocks. Just getting into fall here, so it's a little overgrown compared to what it will be in another couple months in winter or early summer. There we go. Almost there. I made it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. As you can see, I'm back out here at the little spillway today, right off the Wakarusa River. And we're gonna be trying to catch some big boys today. Last time we were out here, we didn't catch anything but babies. So we're out here today with a mission to catch some big ones. I got my ultralight, about to get in the water and see if we can't catch some bluegill for some live bait. And then we're gonna throw it out in the main river channel over there. Y'all ready for this? Let's go. So, I got two different setups here. I got this new ultralight that I just picked up. The Shimano. It's a 5'6" ultralight. I just have 6-pound line on here. Just a little small hook and a bobber. So the first thing we're gonna do today is try to catch us a little bluegill or sunfish out of this little pool right here to use for bait to throw out in the main channel. And then we also brought some artificial baits, crankbaits and whatnot. So we can stay busy while our live bait puts in work. Ooh. First fish of the day. It's a sunfish, but it's going to be too big for what we're trying to use it for. It's a good sized sunfish out of here though. Throw him back, see if we can't catch one of his little brothers. Another one. This one looks like it's too big again. Yeah. Usually don't catch these sizes in this little pool right here. Haven't been here for a couple months though, so another little green sunfish. Decent size one for this little area. I'm trying to catch an even smaller one though. Got another one. Be big, be small, be small. Oh, too big. Getting closer though. This one's still just a little bit too big though. I've seen some decent sized catfish and gar in this little portion of the Wakarusa River where I'm going to be fishing, but I don't want to put nothing too big on there. I'd rather leave the get a small one and have better odds of catching a fish, any fish, than limiting it to big fish only. Keep at it. We'll catch the right size one here in just a minute. There it is. There it is. Yep, perfect. All right. So fish number 4, and we finally got our right size sunfish. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I have this bigger pole, a little thicker, heavier line, bigger hook on it. We're gonna just rig this guy up like that. Grab a rod holder out of the bag. We're gonna go out here to the main river channel, throw this guy out, see if we can't catch us a river monster. Yeah, the water is really low right now. Like I said, it's like fall, so water's really low compared to other times of the year. This will all be underwater, like early summer. But right now it's good, so we can actually come out here and fish from here. Typically you can only fish from up there like on the rocks, or up here on the bank over here. So it's kind of working in our favor that it's like this. Oh yeah, that puppy's feisty too. As soon as I jumped in it, he was trying to take off. That's exactly what we need. Trying to find somewhere soft for this to go in. Okay. Alright. Let's take this dude. Cast him on out there. Alright. Got my ultralight rod, switched it out with just this little tiny crankbait that I actually got from Temu. This thing has been putting in work. I've only used it probably 3 or 4 days, or 3 or 4 hours rather, and I've caught like 10 bass on it already. It's a good time of year for this. Gonna throw this around a little bit while we wait for that live bait to go under. That one. Oh, that's a striper. Hey. My first striper out of this little area right here. Caught plenty of striper out of the Wakarusa River, just not at this location. First fish of the day on artificial. It's a little small striper or wiper, white bass. One of them 3. It's hard for me to tell what's what. But yeah, pretty little fish. Get him back in there. This water's nice and clear, so you guys can hopefully see him swim on. There you go, buddy. All right, let's go. There might be a fish on this one. drag it into this branch. I thought I had one. Not yet. Get out of there. Still good? Let me see. Oh yeah, he's still swimming. Let's go, buddy. Back to work. All right, this is probably a risky move because I can't see my bait or my bobber over there. And there's a whole bunch of snags in this little pool right here. But I want to throw this little crankbait around in here real quick to see if we can't find something over here. Alright, no luck over here in the little pool. Go back out here and check on my live bait. Try back out here. Sometimes the hardest part of fishing is getting to where you're trying to fish at. Bobber's still up, unfortunately. Check on him, see how he's doing. Oh, there is something on. That was not the bobber that I was seeing. Oh, something was on. Are you chewed up? Not really. So that tells me it was probably either a bass or a catfish, because the garl usually leaves some kind of chew marks in it. We hook this guy. Dang it. It's probably not a big enough bass to eat that guy. So he probably had him in his mouth, but didn't get hooked. That's alright. That's first hookup of the day. That's a good sign. We're getting to that golden hour. Sun's going down. Should be getting into some good fishing here. Alright, so I'm thinking that bluegill we got out there now might be a smidge too big for the fish that are in this part of the river at the moment. We're gonna back over here and see if we can't catch one just a little smaller. Increases our chances of actually catching the fish today. Trying to fix a little snag. What is this? Ain't no way. Little baby channel catfish. That is funny. He's gut hooked. I'm gonna have to use the pliers. All right, we got that little channel cat unhooked. He was gut hooked pretty bad. So we're gonna take, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. We're gonna use this as a sign. We're gonna use that and throw that out as some catfish bait. So we're gonna reel this guy in. Let him go. Take this bobber off. Go. I'm gonna just hook this guy right here through his back so he can swim freely. Get that in there. Alright, yeah, he's swimming good still. Now we're gonna take that boy, cast him back out here. With no bobber. Let him just swim around, free swim around the bottom. See what it do. A little small channel right here. Let's see if we can find something in here. Something in there. Got one. What is this? A little tiny baby bass. What? A tiny largemouth. First largemouth of the day. And it's 2 inches long. That's crazy. Right out of here, this little bitty channel that's right here. I'm just dipping my worm in there. And the guy came along and ate it. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for today's video. As you can see behind me, the sun is going down. I gotta hike up out of here before it gets dark and I can see what I'm doing. We weren't able to catch that river monster that we were after today, but we did catch some fish. So I say any day that you can get out on the water and catch some fish is a good day. We did catch a striped bass, a channel catfish, and a largemouth bass. Unfortunately, they were all babies, but fun day all in all. Multiple different baits, multiple species, so I can't really complain. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.